Good morning, savers. It's a beautiful morning, about 6 o'clock. Father's Day. It's low 50s. I think it's supposed to reach 80. A little hazy. Probably burn off if it's going to hit like 80, or they're predicting that. But just a beautiful day. We did a hike yesterday up to Wind Mountain, I think it was, and I am sore. My walking does not do the same thing as hiking, obviously. I feel like I'm walking like a cowboy here. But no, beautiful hike, and what a great day. Wrapped up with fire and good dinner, and just really, I don't know, one of those really special days. And just trying to be there all the time, just enjoying the moment. So today's quote, Frank Lloyd Wright: "Study nature, love nature, it will never fail you." I think there's a lot of truth to that. There's just, I don't know, it's amazing how you look at things and how orderly they are and how amazing they are. Just the views up yesterday. I don't know, just walking around a neighborhood. Just such amazing things. Just our yard. Another thing that it's simple, but if you're aware of it and really watch it, it's a miracle every day. And just thinking about Frank Lloyd Wright's, all of his architecture and creation, very angular, very non-natural, but he did incorporate some amazing structures over nature. There's one house that's over a waterfall, I think there was. You look at his stuff, and pretty wild, but kind of an interesting quote from him. I don't know if you know anything about Frank Lloyd Wright, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the quote for the day. Enjoy. So here's my little windowsill garden and lettuce. This leaf lettuce, and it was wild because I had these in the cups with the water in there. Remember I made those a while back, and the leaves were all turning really light yellow. They were looking limp, and I was like, what's going on? They're gonna die, I could tell that. So I took them out of the cups thinking they were waterlogged. And I put them out on the front porch. It wasn't sunny, so they didn't get baked. They don't do well in direct sun from my experience before, but I think actually the wind has kind of brought them back. There's color in the leaves again. They're kind of a red leaf lettuce, and the color's back, and they are standing up taller. So I think they actually need the wind to make them strong, I guess, or live. So if they were in a still environment like my office, they weren't doing well. They had good sun, and so it'll be kind of interesting to watch. I may just keep these out on the back deck and harvest them as we go. Okay, so the carpet got laid. These photo walls, Tanya pulled this off, I think, Pinterest. Thought this was a neat idea. Had fallen before the carpet got laid, so we took them all down and just hung them back up today. I love these. They're very just prints of different people, family, friends over time. And it's really cool because they've got the little, it's like a clothespin and clothesline. And really simple. You just get the prints, you can change them around, move them, put them up and down over time, versus having a full set of frames that you'd have to take the frame out and then get the right size picture to go in the frame. Just rather cumbersome. Got Got some old ones, some new ones. Old friends, new friends. I thought it was a neat idea. So there's a whole wall. I think we'll maybe put some in the middle here or do another wall over here because we've just got too many pictures. Oh, and here's the steak. Yes, please. It's gonna be good. We're actually, Tanya and I are splitting one. Used to be able to eat a whole steak like that, but just can't do it anymore. Oh my God, look at that. My wife is a baking maniac, crazy, wonderful woman. That is, oh Lord, banana pudding with meringue, warm, with Nilla wafers in it. I have not had that for I don't know how many years. Since we went gluten-free, Nilla wafers are kind of off. Used to do Nilla wafers and ginger snaps. I could eat a whole bag of each of them every day. It's time for the bloom update. And the lavenders are still going strong. I didn't think they had lasted this long. But awareness brings some new things to you. Oh, the old red hot pokers are, as I renamed them, the orange hot pokers. There's Frank. Hello, Frank. They are pretty much spent for the year. These are all blooming. We've got 6 of them across the front, so 3 here and then 3 down the row. These must just get more sun or something. They're all blooming, the other ones aren't. Those are, I've noticed all over the place. Everybody has these. Kind of interesting when you start watching things. Become a little more aware of what's happening. So they're putting on some good blooms. Our cigar plants we actually saw on the hike yesterday, so if you saw that video, we were rather surprised. It's like we actually know what those are, I think. Look at these bad boys. Those are just huge. Gonna be gorgeous. Got these little delicate flowers here on the red fame. And these are so gorgeous. Really starting to come in. It's come in a little bit of time. We have 1 or so of these in the backyard too. On a propane run, but the hostas are coming in. Not even sure what those look like. Blueberries. This one actually has a blueberry. These are just crazy heavy. Jasmine smells amazing, as jasmine does. Aulton and Wanda just kind of hanging out in the shade. The lilies are putting more blooms on. These are already blooming. It's funny, they are quick. Got some new ones there, the other cigar plant back there. Let's see if we can get the fishies up. I know my technique is not right, Wanda, but I'm gonna try. They just don't believe me. These lavender are finally going. Got the little flowers down there. Oh my gosh, they're weak. Look at that. That is crazy. I actually have grapes now. That is so quick. Wow. See, this is a little further behind. This one's in a pot. But there's little grapes on there too. Pretty cool. Oh, this is gonna be color all summer. Excited. Oh, we've got the tree blooms are coming on. Now these are supposed to bloom like pretty much throughout the whole summer. This is the first time they bloomed since we planted them about 2 years ago. That's very exciting. These are, I haven't seen anything opening yet. They're coming on. see what this one has. It has blooms, but nothing blooming yet. That's okay. I think my tomatoes, I did not drill holes in the bottom of my ace bucket, and they kind of did not like that. Got a little overwatered and probably going to lose some branches here. Wanda's is looking good. Now in this pot we are growing if you saw the Thailand videos, what you make purple sticky rice out of, and she made that purple drink out of. So they're essentially plant petals that you then grind. And the Thai basils back here are looking good. Thai peppers over here are doing well. This is actually coming back. This might make it. Man, the sage is going crazy. And let's go look at the persimmons. Oh, they're turning colors now. Interesting. This is going to be heavy, heavy with fruit. Just look at this one branch. It has 9 to 10, about 15 blooms on it that will turn into plants. So if you are a persimmon person and know anything about trimming these things, look at the branches just bending already. Should we take half of them off? Should we take any of them off? Should we take them all off in the first year? Let us know.